Hello everybody and welcome to the first video in a series of videos showing off how quick and easy it is to make a functional and good looking smart map using Hexagon Geospatial's Feature Analyzer suite of maps. Today we'll be making a smart map focused on retail sales using Hexagon Geospatial's Area Analyzer. This is what the smart map will look like at the end of the session. It shows you all of the necessary data at a glance and can be used as a powerful tool to pinpoint where your biggest customers are. As you can see here, we've got lots of green, where you need to focus your sales, where you might want to build more branches, and a whole host of other things. A link to Hexagon Geospatial's website, as well as a link to the Area Analyzer trial, will be in the video description below, so please go and take a look at that. Request the trial and try it out for yourself. Alternatively, you can contact us at Geodata Design, also linked below. That'll be a link to our website, and we can assist you with making your own great looking smart maps such as this one. Now, to start off, you will need to have your data prepped in a way that's readable by Area Analyzer, and you can do that by following the steps posted over on Hexagon Geospatial's help site. It's a very informative site and it'll tell you everything you need to know with regards to importing and making sure that your shape files are in the correct format for ingesting into Area Analyzer. Once your data is prepped, you can go ahead and import it by clicking on the click to browse or drop file here. You'll select all the necessary files and say open. Simple as that. Hitting apply will then import the files into your smart map. So as you can see, your shapefile is now represented on the map. And what we're going to do is we're going to assign unique colors to each province in order to differentiate between the sales groups. Head on over to the field setup and select field name. Now here you're going to select province in order for the map to show colors based on which province the sale is located in. Things are starting to look good, but let's go ahead and change the color palette to something that doesn't use the same gray for a location as the base map. Click on the colors tab, and where it says type, we'll change that from hexagon to 10 categorical colors. Due to us having 9 main provinces in our sales data, this works really well because it will assign each province a unique color. However, if you've got more items, it may be best to define your own manual color scheme or use one of the other options. So now our data is looking really good. Colors might not be everyone's favorite, but it'll work for now. What we can already do is show the sales of certain provinces by clicking on the pie chart. As you can see, this has highlighted all the sales for this particular province. However, that doesn't tell us much. So what we need to do is go ahead and add a few more graphs. Here, I'm adding the discount graph so we can see which of our branches are giving out the most discounts. This sales gauge will show us how much income we are generating from our different metrics. In this set of data, we only have 2 product categories, office supplies and technology, but obviously your sales data will vary. Here we have an order priority graph. What we'll create next is a quick customer type drop-down list in order to get a more specific look at certain customers that you'll be targeting. And here we have the profit graph, which most, if not all, businesses should be very keen on seeing. These are all the graphs I'll be adding for now, although there are a lot more we could add, but this will give you a good idea of how powerful this tool is. For instance, if you wanted to see where all the critical orders were across your region, all you would have to do is click here, and each graph as well as the map will dynamically highlight all areas where you have critical orders, how much profit you are making from those critical orders, how many sales are made, and the types of discounts your customers are getting from critical orders. Another example is to highlight all of your corporate sales. This will highlight, as before, how much money you are making from corporate sales, where your profit is, in which areas your most corporate customers are, etc, etc. This is the view that you saw in the beginning of the video, with all the data graphs presenting you with a wealth of information for reporting purposes that will help you and your business more easily identify areas of concern or help you to plot where the company needs to move in the market. The great thing about these smart maps is how they adapt to your data. We could pull in the sales data of your business today and show you items you might be missing in your business in order for it to move forward. And that's that. Quick and simple smart map creation. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and maybe even subscribe to get notified about future videos. The next video in this series is going to be using the Incident Analyzer to create a detailed overview of the crime stats of South Africa. So if you live in South Africa and you're worried that your neighborhood has become a hotspot for crime, tune in next time and find out.